Domus is an educational game for multitouch tables that makes use of a tangible user interface, and in particular, it uses as game pieces physical objects called tangibles. Domus is designed to be used in museum environments, and in fact the game board simulates the environments of an ancient Roman domus, inspired by those present in Pompeii. Before starting to play, the tangibles used as playing pieces should be placed in the starting positions suggested by the start screen. Once you press start, a menu will appear near each piece that will allow each user to perform various actions depending on the position and turn of the game. Note that the menu follows the movements of the tangible. If the tangible is raised, the interface will simply disappear until the token is put back in the last position. Through the Tasks button, each user can consult the various tasks to be performed. To move, each user must symbolically roll some dice, which will provide the number of boxes for which it is possible to move. Then he will pass the turn to another player. The players will continue to take turns. If a user arrives in a room where he can perform a task, by clicking on the Task Execution button, a window appears in which it will be possible to receive additional information about the life of the ancient Romans. Finally, after one of the users has completed all the tasks, the victory screen will appear. From there, users will decide whether to continue the game, completing the other players' tasks, or start a new game.